Three major updates went out in June. Starting with manual time approval. Admins now have more control over manually added timesheets. Along with the normal add manual time option, you can now turn on manual time approval at the organization level. Manual entries will wait for review, and if certain people don't need it, you can override the setting for them specifically, a contractor you already trust, or an admin logging time. The organization default stays put for everyone else. Go to Timesheets Approval and switch to Manual to review. Click on Approve to approve the manual timesheets, or click on the X button to reject. After approval, the entry goes into your reports and payroll. Until you do, it will remain here. Next up, checkout and plan management got a rebuild. The plan comparison page is redesigned. Pricing updates as you switch between monthly and yearly. Add-ons work the same way. Add any add-on and the total moves with it. Add-ons included in your plan are clearly marked as included. There's also an Add All button if you want to bundle them in one go. Totals will show included tax where tax applies. You can also add your VAT details. And if you're upgrading mid-cycle, you'll see the proration details before you confirm. After you pay, there's a success page with your receipt. Next, projects got a fresh new look with our updated project UI. Creating a project and assigning team members used to take multiple steps. Now you can set up a project and add your team in just a few clicks, right from the main projects page. Checking project details and managing tasks and assignees is also simplified. You can manage project billing and budgets, view invoices easily, or toggle settings like allowing global tasks. We also renamed Leave to Time Off. Same feature, new name. We also shipped multiple bug fixes last month. Custom reports, leave pop-up, team filters, leave balance, and a few others. Full list is in the changelog. And that's June.